Learning about the wolf and its beauty. Wolf. The wolf or gray wolf, scientific name, Canis lupus, is a carnivorous mammal. The wolf shares a common origin with the foreign dog of the Canis lupus family through DNA sequencing evidence and genetic investigations. Some types of dogs also have a physical shape similar to wolves, for example the Siberian Husky, Alaskan Malamute and Samoyed. In general, wolves have a height of 60 cm to 80 cm and a mass of about 23 to 59 kg. Wolf speed, 50 to 60 km per hour. Run, scientific name, Canis lupus. Height, 80 to 85 cm. Adult, at shoulder. Lifespan, 16 years male, in captivity 14 years female, in the wild gestation period, 62 to 75 days. Conservation status, low risk, stable. The food. The flesh of these animals, such as horses and deer, are also prey for wolves. Wolf special features. 1. Has sharp teeth, making it easier for wolves to eat their prey. 2. The eyes glow in the dark, making it easier for the wolf to see its prey clearly. 3. Has sharp nails, its function makes it easier for wolves to catch prey. If you want to be strong and feared, learn from the lion. But if you want to be a leader to be followed, learn from the wolves, is a fragment of an ancient story and philosophy that is believed to have emerged in China in ancient times. The philosophy is meaningful and in fact, the wolf is a social animal that adheres to the principles of hierarchy and leadership. Unlike the lion, which can still be tamed, the wolf is a wild animal that is very difficult to tame. That's why wolves never existed in the circus world, because wolves would only obey their pack leader. Here are 5 scientific facts about wolves, monogamous animals that adhere to the principle of hierarchy. Anything. One. The wolf is a monogamous animal. There are some animals that are monogamous, faithful to one partner until the end of their life, and one of them is the wolf. Live Science on its website writes that the monogamous way carried out by wolves is one of the keys to the safety of species in the evolutionary process. In the world of evolution, it is stated that natural selection will occur for anyone who cannot fit or adapt well in the wild. By mating monogamously, wolves can maintain pure and strong offspring from exposure to disease in the wild. The monogamy method will also make it easier for the wolf social group to organize a mutually agreed hierarchy. The alpha wolf leader will be followed and used as an example or role model for other wolves. Two. Recent scientific facts reveal that wild wolves are not the ancestors of dogs. Recent research and studies on the origin of dogs reveal quite surprising facts. The scientific study concludes that wolves are most likely not the ancestors of dogs, as written in the science page Nature. This breaks the notion that dogs are the result of the domestication of wolves. Based on in-depth genome and DNA research, it was concluded that dogs and wolves had separate evolutionary paths 34,000 years ago. Then, if not wolves, what species is the ancestor of dogs? Scientists have revealed that dogs and wolves shared a common ancestor, and that the two were firmly separated in evolutionary lines over tens of thousands of years. It is still not known for certain what species is the ancestor of dogs and wolves. It is even possible that dogs and wolves have very different ancestors. 3. Besides being intelligent, wolves also have extraordinary stamina. According to research in the wild, there are at least 3 basics in hunting that wolves have. The three basics are intelligence, stamina, and the ability to apply hunting strategies in the wild. In the world of fauna, wolves are one of the herd of animals that have the best hunting strategy. The hunting strategy of wolves includes several aspects that they do to their prey, namely watching, intimidating, exhausting the prey, and finally killing the prey. All of these things require extra intelligence in the animal world, coupled with their stamina and social skills in applying hunting tactics in the field. Science page Wolf Country writes that wolves also prefer to hunt at night, because they are basically a nocturnal species active at night. Their eyesight and smell are also very good, making wolves very feared by their prey at night. 4. Wolves have several species and subspecies. Living with Wolves on its website writes that the wolf species has quite a number of subspecies in the wild. Some of these subspecies emerged because of the microevolution that occurred in the wolf species over a long period of time. The existence of different conditions in nature is one of the reasons why wolves evolve and experience speciation in the wild. Usually the differences in subspecies in several types of wolves are in body size, coat color, eyes, and several other minor things. Several species and subspecies of wolves in the world, including gray wolf Canis lupus, the distribution of its habitat is in North America. Even though they are called gray wolves, they can also have red, black, and white colors. Arctic wolf Canis lupus arctos, habitat in cold areas such as the Arctic, Greenland, and Canada. The red wolf Canis rufus has habitat in several areas of the United States, and is currently a protected wolf species. Indian wolf Canis lupus pallips, with distribution in some forests and mountains of India. The Himalayan wolf Canis himalayensis can be found in India, Nepal and the Himalayas. The Ethiopian wolf Canis simensis is only found in some areas of Africa, and is declared near extinct. Eastern wolf Canis lupus lysoun, spread in Canada and some parts of the United States. 5. The firmness of the hierarchy is a rule that must be obeyed together. Hierarchy is a rule that emphasizes leadership from top to bottom. Some living things that have a complex social structure will usually apply a hierarchical system, including social life in humans. Launching Wolf Haven International, the social group of wolves has a genetic heritage as a species that always lives in large families. By living in groups, wolves can become survivors in the wild. That's why the principle of hierarchy is strongly adhered to by any pack of wolves in the world. Because basically, the principle of the hierarchy is directly related to life and death for a wolf. Those are 5 scientific facts about wolves, monogamous animals that adhere to the principle of hierarchy. Hopefully this article can add to your insight in the field of fauna, yes.
Thank you.